The grand final of the Shakespeare Hospice Dragon Boat Challenge 2017 is underway. Here we go, all 4 boats, lying abreast. On our side of the river, 2 oars, 1 trophy, Birmingham Flyers. Then the Blazing Paddles and the Power Paddlers on the theatre side of the river. And here they come, all teams going really well. Who's it gonna be? I've just lost sight. Oh, I've got them all back. Oh, look at this! This is going to be close. You can never take anything for granted in a final. Anything can happen. Look at this as they come to the line. Absolutely lying abreast.